Hello, this is Steven with Transfer Flow Fuel Systems. We manufacture premier American-made fuel systems. Today we're here talking about our gas and diesel extended range replacement fuel tanks. We make extended capacity replacement tanks for the Toyota Tundra, for various Ford Super Duties, Ford Transit vans, and our newest, the Ram gasoline extended range tank. This is a Transfer Flow direct factory replacement midship tank. This tank is designed to go into your factory position, reusing the factory strap mounts and replacing them with our heavy duty straps. It's constructed of aluminized steel, which is a steel with a silicone aluminum coating, which reduces and really eliminates rust entirely on our tank. It includes all evap lines. It fits directly with your factory fuel lines and is fully 50 state emission compliant. All Transfer Flow tanks come with a 6-year unlimited mile warranty, proudly made in the USA. If you have any questions or you're ready to order, call Transfer Flow and ask for Steven.